bakwa ni rimbi yamuno karibu sana smoke wa time sasa Marieta Samson Ngoko ero no tura na mukwa tigara tusemia bere atatu igoro ya siasa ire saito gusia mukwa karibu ono lero kwa ikire bwana
Biamana sana Sam asokere chinga kichiago chuko ngarigania sigepindi kya mukwa times bono injene nganje tukosanga boli amaswali
bono buno korora kwa okole chinguru cha matiangi ase siasa ya 2027 ngaichiberete
ndege tangana ndagotabinike abantu abange bachaite matiangi no mwana siasa no munyisi siasa cyangwa history n'egenzi no manyamangana bunari matiangi no alingi na nyachai kakubuli mpako president
chinga kijamaga
nyachai olingi nero lingi pia ya matiangi nero lingi pia ya nyachai amin nero lingi for the people gekubwa gusingima umuntu lingi pia gali matiangi
for the
people bono goro kinga matiangi tali muntu tamaiti mna mangana siasa gokoru especially me agusi aya matiangi akabana nyachai taibo bakabwa gusia chonsi pi ebirugo byansi pi bya for the people aya kurugabo matiangi na swete usuru nyachai hande dimova tu Kenyatta
abono no tubwaterete bune jeje gotire
matiangi akamweka usuru kibako bwa 2017 matiangi no alengese campaign behind the scenes ko bange bintu mnindo bigokorwa na kiki agarata achikwa ko bosia 2013 mbabwete kiroko kiri bakabwa uru akabe president yake ya Kenya
akamubeka se department
ya ICT totaragenda samangana administration kero bakubwa roche bakabunya chai bakabwa nuru 2017 no alengi ntire bakabwa nango
uhuru bado
Nigweta makanai
na kubwatire kwa
2022 bakabuna ngo na Raila iko matiangi na what experience yokubu no kubwa you get that apart from that matiangi kirongera occupy yokugunga interior
security
there is a lot yako gendrasa interior na bwate binte vingi bya kole kante interior amanyete how to run even a campaign matiangi lengi yako korate for information
bono ndakubuli nande toru ase matiangi bono ofune kiro ke kenene ba guchikurwanirire asubukambi bwansa ngoboli obugavana ayena kyoroche
obugavana banyamira mbura bit complicated so far nduranyora mundu chirisiko ogocha kubuli kiro giktora tavena ki ojogocha kubuli kiro gike no myare no bugambi egende kene pimenyamira toganeti twadole chigavana ne yakabero bono egende toganeti mono no mugambi okulegasi ntoganeti ko chora mundu nga ochoriro
okura bichimbago
itake to mundu gucha okulegasi because that's what we need so far according to my assessment mbaro babekiro muki Walter Chanua ndobati den incumbent oyenya libo bonsi mbabekito mukoro kingamba ndikiro okeli bono tukande korana ki who is going to become the governor Nyamira through the Jubilee ticket igoyo chikogwe Jubilee ticket no yo mana sana bono igen tukiyakena kokani according to me I would wish matiangi ache gabu directly on what basis tamundo ticket inga oirwe ticket we want somebody who have to change Nyamira or visionary ndokani timondo ndebwensi kucha kwerekero geke tutwale biriro bitwatwale for the time we want to have a different setup of leadership boni igera choto kwanya kusuka mutu wake because yokora Nyamira ndo bachiwe system the entire Nyamira county boni ogwagacha ogwegunyire cho yaga siwe system ne bana town Nyamira as we speak today ndo what even our stadium is not well done elia manga ndo what university ya chiro titivet njise ne despite kwa abantu agriculturally ntuliko korabia aya if you look at what is happening in Nyamira right now ntoranyora no changes yokolekana especially Keroka to just give an example as to menyetega Keroka echireli agachiru World Bank twagachirete enyegitali eli twagachona Japanese government I think some it's a donation actually it is a grant
Kenga charity
so as we speak today ndobwati serious development ekole Keroka out of the governor was administration yeka
county
again tobako korana and then lokukora chipara chuka but we need proper things to be done as Nyamira county Nyamira is among the most peaceful counties it's among the most hardworking people what we need right now it is proper leadership to be put in place bono igo so far aso kolegio libo governor I'm slightly convinced mbaro bawe tomoki lakini bado ntaranyora muntu oli capable
ora tebenga noyo
oyo nere bono guchugotera somewhere ono
abategera limoroje bono okubuli kwane nande yaringiga bono toche se amangana ya opposition yero Toroche ngorwani baro murayo monene bwense kene timu yae na inturende noroche gocha bona ebuno korora kwa ukore tingo kubori gose one time gose two time gotenine kiagera tubwenti go check political side side bono lero ninje ngubwata bono nari gokuburia ayena kioroche segiye rese between the leaders na opposition na nkiora kwanera samangana.
Now, ingagere to kumboli na ki ngoli stronger to us in 27.
Na kina nataka kuboli.
What is there? They go very open. To gocha samangana a national politics. I think opposition has the best numbers. Mbabata baikoyo. Mbabata bagusi na bakamba. And then abaruya into some section. Baraba united but into some section. But kubat Mount Kenya on your side. Never come on your side, never will see. Those are big numbers. There's a general feeling William Mutara Koravia. Aba Kenya Baro Bakuruchi blog chingo, Oba Kabira Kando, Bafileting, we need a change.
We need a change. Better must come.
So what is very clear, Ndago Devonega. The opposition has the best numbers. A challenge about what is to have the best candidate who should go face William Ruto. In the sense that if I got your room on that, but you go a children based on their own interest in a key or no. Tigaba chole omondo based on the people's interest. I have to get an egg. The argument in the opposition. I want to go on Ranaki. I should not be on what. I should not be on what. About them indicating a matching the number 7 to Kuli Kene, Kenen, I can't take him. As opposition to a David Rabba over opposition, to a David Rabba was in our opposition, to a David Rabba Ikun over opposition, but our opposition, Chinamanicha Yoko. It's John's Pinich opposition.
It's your position.
Namaji Mokwan and opposition here now, opposition B, opposition C, opposition never go see, opposition never go, opposition never. We don't have that. It of what opposition here. Chinamaji Grace out. The numbers question they cover. Again, which candidate do Kenyans want? That is the most important thing. To watch us Ruto. Ndovas commanderate at any point. Despite Otatuara Banenchi.
Over in the game long enough.
Over in the game long enough. Experience of 30 years is not easy. Secondly, William Ruto, as we look at him, now what opposition does not have enough resources. You've seen how they have stolen a lot of money. Bonika, Nakanikuka Chindaki, Commitari can be able to do any time, any day. Chikole campaign. Nakanikuko have young goes in Navaku. You can have a lot of money. A lot of money. But Eke Manen Kelinga, opposition board needs to have a counter plan. Alas Baku Tuareg and Dego Kunga Umondogo counter, Munona Gashagu is there to counter. Edin Sifuna is there to counter. So that one will help to neutralize Chichibesa. Ogot the Omondo Karichibes in a chain. Mondo understanding a Chibes to go to Nichipara chain. Chibes to go Namagan Raito. You get Chibes is Nicho, something like that. I think that is what should happen. And I think William Ruta Watanomuki, Navatomuki san, Wake campaign Yara Nyake, put to Konamogaso. He go on opposition with Kewange, go very aggressive. Spirit Noja Matiang, a bit relaxed. Hitakunya Naruto. We come and Tomul. We come and Spirit Kalora Sacha Kabisa. Kabisa. Espiritu Troshia Kalonzo, Aladomant, Itakunya Naruto. The Agarumunda and any Pesia Gashagua. Never remember more because so that is what should be happening right now. So in a nutshell, William Ruto Nabwate some strengths. Also as such in numbers, William Ruto Nabwate number so Abumbara Abasigis. Bawi dera Abasigis Mbaro. Aya. William Ruto no mujanja achireta bas abaolia mapema baolia mbanya kwa bere siku ya serikali barabu abaro serikali abodwali baku support 2027 yaki 2028 onye matiangi okoira ene baje smatiangi nabo baligo aya numbers ichuba bwate echiava sigisi abaolia ndokujandarate abantu mbagazi nko registered Kenya WP not and Kenya registration egase no kuminga yabanda barwete aya bogereka namaitenga abagere mbali affiliated nabasi abaikoyo mono to take advantage aso ime a capture abagere. Now, again to get tokonye opposition yetwale Babu Wino James Orengo ne timu eli ebe strong. Agere Ruto akanya chikura lakini Chibagu
na bandaba.
Aya kira William Ruto aruze di Mount Kenya. E target ya nene ya Ringi Western.
Western region nakiachite kurigiri babo Changula
Mudavadi au bonse
akaba
bono ikintu bara akora ikintu kene kya muhimu Sifuna atate ni as an independent president pamwe top seat echikonyo kumokonyo ko negotiate some votes ku Western Kenya. But as it stands today, William Ruto has the majority of Western Kenya based on the leaders once the rich people no bali nere Francis Atwoli governors Chonsi abantu bali no bali nere bona ikintu kira akonye tutebenga aba sigisi aba ikoyomba aba amini aba luyamba what the problem you go divide votes. Alafu there's a lot of what you call poverty in Western Kenya. Poverty is a big challenge because of their numbers and the resources. That region has been neglected. Because you are not neglected, but to consider their region, the vast region of Western Kenya, but neglected to a great extent. Even their farms, so Uhuru Kenyatta I don't know opposition. Campaign yokoro bago sera mate na baroba sera. No cheka. Aya, libago sera na hawa sera. Alafu campaign yokoro Sifuna taru Western na wetangu na tembea. Bakole campaign yo kabisa. Ebetenze eye kuya eye. That is what we need. Because Keretu Aroche by election yalengo Malava. Ntoko underrate with what we saw there. Remember William Ruto won at Malava. And the UDA went in a Keretu. So which means it's going to be UDA versus any other party. You go UDA front. So we need also the opposition to align themselves. Party Western to Manyanga Western That is basically what is happening in the national politics.
Amanja matagari moigule. Ondua niriese gia lakini rende na bayale. Bono aserero nare gwanje turakurira abo ngakiende nande mukwa ningorangiria se mukwa times mbia mono cut